Hey, welcome to the May 24th trade review. I'm going to go over the trades that I took. Had a green day today, not too bad. It was hard fought for, but I did make it. So let's go take a look at those trades real quick.
EVA Trades.
Yeah, I'm up $108.51 today. As soon as I hit my daily goal, I called it and I stepped away. Like, that's it. So I got a small green candle with a lower wick because I was red on my day for a little while. So pretty nice finishing, finally having a green day after those two big red days and yesterday's small red day. And let's take a look at the trades. So the first up here I have is EEIQ. And EEIQ, this was an order here that I didn't mean. I had a limit order in place and the Thinkorswim platform wouldn't cancel it. I did it pre-market and I couldn't get it to cancel. We opened, it filled. Luckily, I think I lost like $3 or something like that. So it wasn't a huge deal. I took an actual trade on it here on a breakout and took a loss. Now my focus today was on trying to buy pullbacks. So this is one of the rare trades I took today as a breakout trade, and I lost on it. I didn't trade it again until way over here when we started to break out, and this was actually my last trades of the day. I bought it here as we broke through the volume weighted average price and sold there, and then I bought this pullback to the volume weighted average price and sold up here. I bought it twice, sold it twice, and that put me up $108 on my day. Big money there. ENVB. Yeah. Best moving stock of the day, and I'm the guy that made $3. Go figure. Oh, well, sometimes that's just the way it goes. I did trade it pretty well, I thought, up until the very end. So I bought a pullback here to that support level. You see how I drew the lines down here at these support areas. And you can see it on the 5-minute time frame back here as well. There was also a pivot right here. That was one line, and the other was the support. So yeah, right away we pulled back. I'm jumping in. I'm selling right there. I don't trade it again till up here. I'm buying after the breakout. I'm trying to buy a pullback here into this support area, and then I'm selling up into here. Yeah, buying a little high up here, but luckily I made a little money on that. Buying a breakout here, it didn't follow through, so I sold for a loss on that. Buying the breakout here, making some pretty good money on that, selling up here. Buying way up here, I shouldn't be doing that. This was more FOMO than anything, and of course I took a big loss, and I was up pretty good on the stock. That is why now I'm only up $3 because of that big loss, and I didn't trade it again after that. GCT had an enormous flush down here after an attempt at a breakout, and I didn't trade that one, thankfully. But I actually did pretty good on GCT today, and I did it buying dips and selling quick. So here I bought a dip. So actually, I think this one was another one where I had a limit order placed that I couldn't cancel, and luckily for me, I made like $50 on that. But here's a dip buy, and I sold. A dip buy, and I sold. Dip buy, lost. Dip buy down to the volume weighted average price, sold it for profit. Another dip buy and sold. See, I'm buying low, selling high. So doing pretty good on this stock overall. Had that one loss on it right here. Another dip trade here. This was a flush down. After that flush, I bought it at the bottom, sold it really quick as it bounced back up. And that was it for GCT. KSS, stock that I typically wouldn't try to trade, but it had news, and it doesn't have the low float and high volume like I'm used to, but I thought I'd give it a shot. It's a little higher price too. I didn't trade it very well. I bought a breakout on it here, and then added to it here on this pullback. So let me see here. You had that level right there. We pulled back to it, and then we made a move higher. I think I made money in here. And then I definitely must have made money because I sold way up here. Let me see, where am I at on this? So I don't quite remember. Oh, it was down here. I think this is where I took the loss. That's right. I was doing really good on it. up in here, I made some money on it, but then it came down to this support and I was expecting a bounce. So I bought it twice. It didn't bounce. It flushed down. I took a full stop on both of those, lost $100. Looks like I actually had 3 of them. Anyways, yeah, I lost pretty much everything and went into the red on the stock. So didn't trade it again after that, but it did actually bounce. You can see the 5-minute here. So this is the one that it bounced off of, 21.31. I was expecting 21.50 and it didn't give it to me. And you would think psychological 21.50, you got 2 support levels there. No, it came down to that next one and that's where it bounced from. And there could be like a, let's see, what does the 15-minute look like? That's the 15-minute there. Well, I suppose that's a pretty good level to bounce from. Anyways, is what it is. So took a loss on that. That was unfortunate. That put me red on the day. Overall, URBN didn't trade it very much. Breakout trade here, just, sold. This one was spready and it was taking a while to get going. So that's why I sold it so quick here. I bought a pullback to the volume weighted average price. It continued to flush and stop me out down here. So that pullback didn't work for me. And then I didn't trade it again after that. I'm noticing that any of the breakout trades that I took didn't really work for me except for EEIQ. And even this was more of a pullback to the volume weighted average price and then a move higher. So yeah, pullbacks definitely working better for me. I'm going to stick with that, especially on GCT. That really worked well. This was one of those stocks that whips around a lot. Okay, so that's it. Let's take a look one more time. Oh, we already looked at this. Okay, and I did notice that if I pull this up here, let me pull up my Excel spreadsheet, and I'll just show you real quick what I'm looking at here. My road to $1 million has been, it updates every time I trade. And if I lose, if I have a losing day, this date on this sign moves further down the road. If I have a winning day, the date gets closer. And so right now it's saying June 26th is the date at which I will finish phase 3 based on my current average that I'm at per day. So, that could definitely change. And it will. So anyways, that's my trade review. That's what I did today. I hope your day was better than mine. And I don't consider this a very successful day because I really struggled. And I think I overtraded, but luckily for me, I'm green on my day. So thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow morning. Bye-bye.